Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through major features of the interior and exterior. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, pop the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action, and towards the end of the video I will of course start the vehicle up, being that this is the M235i, and I'm sure a lot of you will want to hear that start up and allow you to have a look at the vehicle with the roof all the way up. The vehicle itself is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we've added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. However, this vehicle has also come equipped with the 19-inch 624M Mperformance alloy wheels, which are finished in the original satin black with the bicolour inserts, as you can see there, and they're all presented very nicely. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2016 16 plate. We've also got the xenon headlamps on this vehicle, along with the chrome line exterior add-ons. So we've got these chrome line aero fins in the front bumper, along with the chrome line mirror caps, as you can see there. Down the side of the vehicle, we've got these satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and that already very striking coral red Dakota leather, which again is all in fantastic condition and goes very nicely with the exterior colour. So in the front, we've got the electric lumbar options on this vehicle, along with the optional electric grand piano black trims, which again sit very nicely against the interior colour and exterior colour. For your rear seat configuration for the 2 Series, we've got an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with that centre drinks holder, or that can be removed to make a central storage tray. Again, moving around to the rear of the vehicle, not before again showing you another option that's equipped on this car. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, which is always a very sought after and wanted optional extra. Again, showing you off those lovely 19-inch Mperformance alloy wheels. At the rear of this M235i, we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin rear diffuser sitting over at those twin exhaust pipes, and there you can see the M235i badging. Opening up the boot will reveal the very large boot space. Now, bearing in mind, of course, we've got the roof currently folded away. However, being the wizards that BMW are, they've managed to make it so it doesn't eat into any of the luggage capacity. This little item here is the wind deflector. So what this is, when it is installed, it will just eliminate some of that wind turbulence, should you want to have it installed, of course, for them roof down moments when we are cracking on a little bit. And with a vehicle with this much power, that is certainly going to be something that you will be doing, I am sure. Onto the other side, where again you can see just how well presented this car really is, in combination with all of the lovely extras that it does come with, including of course the YNC Mperformance body styling kit and those lovely alloy wheels. Now, going on to take a seat inside the car, where first of all we are of course going to start the car up, not before showing you the power folding mirrors it does come with. And I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, and first of all start it up, where you will get your first sound clip of the car. Straight away we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and of course we'll run through just a couple of the features and functions of that. I will however get the roof coming up whilst I'm showing you around a couple of the other features and functions. The vehicle itself has covered just over 47,000 miles. It also comes of course with the lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It also has cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume control, all situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So now the roof movement is completed, we'll just run through a couple of the features of this wide screen. There is of course your navigation feature, which is a very user-friendly system and definitely one of the best on the market. Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio, DAB screen, which you may have already seen. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs covering everything from your Bluetooth audio right through to AUX and USB, along with the music collection, thanks to this being the professional version of the media screen. Going down to the vehicle service information and service requirements, this vehicle does come with full BMW service history, and again one thing I'd like to point out on this car, it does also come with the M adaptive suspension, and this is shown here by the fact that we've not only got the tyre pressures, we've also got the tyre temperatures to be monitored as well, so you can see that on screen again for when you are motoring very nicely along in this car. Again, if we have a look up here, you'll see everything is highlighted in green, and the next service is not due for 11,000 miles, and we've got full BMW service history, and the last service was a major service, meaning that the next service that's due in 11,000 miles will just be a very basic oil filter change, which is fantastic news for any potential next buyer of this car. So onto the sound clip, of course, where we're going to engage sport to open up both sides of that twin exit exhaust. And we can of course go down here and configure the vehicle, everything down to the chassis, or we can of course just play around with the drive chain itself, or again just play around with the chassis setup, which is of course your front suspension components. So now obviously the vehicle is in sport, both sides of the exhaust are open, and I'll give you that little sound demonstration before showing you off the vehicle with the roof up. So there you can see you get a very nice little crack at the pop. As always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful, and of course if you do have any questions or comments, please do drop them down below. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course links to our website in the description. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We do hope it's helped you make your informed purchasing decision on your next car. Most of all though, hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you and goodbye.